the Buwan ng Wika, a month-long reverence for our mother tongue, Filipino. But at a time when language has abruptly evolved, teens of the new generation have made up their own terms or slang. Let's hear this report from Martin Valdez as he gives us some slang lessons then and now.
Love not instead of lovesick, JK or just kidding, frenemy or a friend who in some ways is also an enemy, hipster or indie to refer to someone who's independent or free. These are just some of the slang of the new generation, the shorter the better. But how did these evolve? Join me tonight as I take you to the jargon of Generation Y. Slang are words or phrases used on a large scale by a certain age group, culture, and generation. The words don't necessarily have to be new since these expressions are often short-lived, so as long as you get the code beyond renewable language, beyond changing times. The short message service or text messaging is one of the many contributing factors to slang. Admit it or not, since text messaging's advent in the Philippines in the 20th century, slang has come a long way. But did you know that jargon cool has been around since the 1950s? From its original meaning large sums of money to calmly audacious to fashionable, the word has been embraced by a multitude of teenage generations. How cool is that? Meanwhile, when the slang dude used to mean a male friend or acquaintance way back the 1850s, now dude can be used to any male or female, friend or not. Photobomb, or the act of dropping into someone's photo unexpectedly, YOLO, short for you only live once, and SMH, or shaking my head, used to express disdain for something that no amount of words can do it justice. These slang words have all originated now in the 21st century, all in the name of self-expression among teens and the young at heart of today. The society may have grown to accept this syntax, but the proper usage of both Filipino, our mother tongue, and English, the universal language, should never be outgrown. So guys, BRB. Oh wait, I'll be right back. This is Martin Valdez. Join me again next week for another dose of Kids Life.